Let's go.
Raymond, you ready?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
It's a drone.
Gonna
fly the drone.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, come on.
Whoa, let's
That's it.
go.
This is 1, 2.
Alright, come on, come on.
Let's go, let's go.
Raymond, you ready? Hey, don't drop the phone. Don't drop the phone.
Uh-oh.
Because if you drop the phone, we cannot fly. You hear me?
You got it, Tay? Alrighty. That's cool.
Alright, a DJI Mavic. And then come on, Raymond, tell the kids that they have to fly with their parents.
Yes, you have to fly with their parents.
Okay?
Good job.
For safety. So
For
come on.
safety.
Yep.
And remember, guys, don't touch the drone when you're flying.
What happens if you touch the drone while it's flying?
A drone?
You get what?
A baby.
You can get caught, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
You get cut and with your friends and they go, mommy and mommy, and they go,
Come on, come on, come on.
You're gonna lose your fingers.
yeah. Look at it.
All right, let's go. Go in front of me. Go in front of me. Daddy's all over there. Go to the gates. Woo!
That's a loud gate.
Raymond, are you ready to see the drone fly?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna sit in the shade.
Sunny. Alrighty.
Is Daddy going?
There you go.
There it goes.
Come on. Sit over here. Alright. Let me see the phone. I'm gonna need the phone. That's how we're gonna see. The sun soon go away. Alright, Raymond, you ready? Are you ready, my co-pilot? So let's get into. Alright. So we're gonna go into the Fly app. I'm gonna connect it. Then we're gonna turn it on. Ready? Alright, see, good. The sun went away. Look. Come, sit right here in the middle.
Come sit here.
Wait. Get right here. Come, sit in the middle. Right here. Put your foot over. Alright.
So what is that?
Let's see. It's kind of can't see because of the sun. A little bit.
Daddy, what is this, dude? What is these things?
And
do?
tell the kids that they must fly with their parents. Go. Say, kids, you must fly with your parents.
Kids, you must fly with your parents.
Alright. Come on.
Three.
Alright, come on. Alright, back up. You gotta turn it on. Alright, babe, come.
Daddy, this is never drone.
Come on. Look,
It's the
Raymond.
dog.
Oh, you can
Look,
see the sky from the video app.
Look,
Where's the drone?
it's gone. Look at the. Look, we're across the street now. The drone. This is why we're flying.
Hmm?
It's across the street. Look at this is our house.
Yeah. But I see it.
Yeah, you see?
Ooh, I see the coach.
Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
This is why you guys want to learn to fly a drone, kids. Fly a drone with your family.
What is this do?
That's to bring it back home. You hear the drone?
I see the water.
Yeah, that's what the drone is about.
Oh,
See how we're flying over over our house in our community?
yeah.
Yeah.
No, we need drone is not flying over.
The drone is somewhere far away. Where's the drone? Which side is it on? Uh-oh, I hear it.
I hear it.
I hear it.
Go away.
I'm gonna hit you, so don't worry about
It is a can.
Whoa.
Double. Wait.
it. Hey,
He's coming back.
fly.
Yeah.
Come on. Your daddy gotta go.
Did you like it?
Look, he's putting hearts.
Let me see the hearts. Let me see the hearts.
Here, Raymond.
Let me see your
Yo,
hearts.
mind you step on the drone, bro.
Ooh. You gotta be
Hold
careful.
Gotta do another part.
You like the drone? Huh?
Open.
Did you like the drone?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
It was going pretty high. We're going back home now.
We're back home now. We're all done flying.
Ooh, that was fun.
Raymond, you're a good pilot.
Did you like it? You want to do it again? All right, we'll try another time.
You didn't let me fly the drone.
Because you're my co-pilot. You can't fly it by yourself.
You gotta learn first.
You don't have wings.
Can I get a toy drone?
Yeah, I got a toy drone for you. But we gotta go to like a park to fly it because those drones go crazy.
What drone?
The toy drones, they can't stay in one
They're too
spot.
tiny. It's too windy.
Yeah, and they're gonna fly all over the place like at the house, remember? Go.
Thank you for watching my channel for Daddy and the drone.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Oh, guys, wait. I got something for you. It's a lot of toy drones for you.
One day we'll have a lot of toy drones for everybody, right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.